So what's up everyone and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. If you want to use Google Workspace for cold email outreach, here's how to set it up the right way. Start by signing up to Google Workspace and choose whether you'll use an existing domain or purchase a new one. Create your administrator account and your first business email address such as hello@yourdomain.com. Verify your domain by adding the TXT verification record to your domain's DNS settings. Then return to Google Workspace and click Verify. If you're working with a team, add additional user accounts for the Google Admin Console. And then configure your domain's MX record so Gmail can send and receive email for your domain. For better email authentication and deliverability, set up SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records. When sending outreach, begin with a low daily email volume and gradually increase it over time to establish a positive sender reputation. Monitor your email performance using Google, Postmaster tools, or another deliverability monitoring service. And finally, enable two-factor authentication, create a professional email signature, and keep your inbox organized by using email forwarding if needed. And that's it. Your Google Workspace account is now ready for professional email outreach with the best practices for security and deliverability. If this tutorial helped you out, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more quick tips like this. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.